joined together by blood because our president and some colleagues like General Mule and and others trained in Mozambique. So the first seed was planted that time, 1976. So it is from that seed that was planted that all this is coming out. Now our two presidents have given us direction that this is where things go like this. We need to cement our relationship so that we see tangible results that will improve the economic, political, social cooperation, okay? Become tangible. Politically, we are united. There is no political difference between the two countries. But below political, economically, we are not yet there. So this JPC here, this conference here, should make sure that economically we start working together. Because what is there is between Mozambique and Uganda is for people to trade together, sell their goods and services together freely without any. Thereby, what will result now is social transformation of the people. Because when you trade, you become rich, you prosper. And that's the aim, that's the desire of our president. Do business, work together, trade together, and socially transform yourselves. So I expect that at the end of this conference, we shall make sure that all agreements are prepared for signatures of our superiors, our ministers, which will be escalated to the principals for final approval. And then we see Ugandans and Mozambicans move, work, trade together. We need to trade in serious. Okay? Serious. We need to trade in dairy products. Okay? We need to trade in even buses. When I was in Mozambique, I see opportunities of buses which we're making in Kira. We're making very good buses, and that country needs buses, and they can do it. I saw it, that opportunity is there. Export manpower, skilled manpower, that one is possible. And some guys who are there are doing very well. So we need to improve on agriculture. The plate of land, they have given us land. We need to start cultivating. We saw many graduates in agriculture in the University of Mozambique. Okay? And we want them really to impart knowledge and skills to the people of Mozambique. So there is a lot we can do between us.
Thank you so much.